I'm going to present a simple training application demo for equipment represented by a hologram. This allows trainees to become familiar with equipment before using real devices. For this example, we will use a hologram of the HoloLens itself. So I'm launching the holographic app, which is built with Unity.
Welcome to Explore HoloLens, a holographic view of a HoloLens device. You can use gaze, gesture and voice command to explore different components. Walk around and start exploring. The HoloLens display is basically a set of transparent lenses placed just in front of the eyes.
Scale down. Scale stop. Start rotate. Show speaker. Hide speaker. This app needs further development to show the cameras and sensors at the front here, which are important features of the HoloLens. Show speaker. Hide speaker.